Once there was a fox. One day he was walking near a well. He came near the edge of the well and started looking inside. By chance, he slipped and fell into the water. He began to regret his action.
Oh, I should not have come near the edge of the well. It was really foolish on my part.
He cursed. It was not a very deep well. He tried his best to get out of the well, but could not. At that time, a very thirsty goat came to the well. When she looked into the well, she was surprised to see the fox. She asked him,
Hey, what are you doing here?
I am enjoying the tasty water. Come down and try it yourself.
The fox replied. The goat thought of nothing and jumped in at once. When he had enough to drink, the goat wanted for some way to getting out, but could not find anywhere. The fox said,
I have an idea. You stand on your hind legs and I will climb onto your back and get out. And when I am out, I will help you out too.
The goat did as he said. Fox climbed on his back and go out of the well and coolly walked away. The goat called loudly after him and reminded him of his promise to help him out. Fox laughed at his nonsense and replied,
You are too much foolish. You would not have got into the well without making certain that you could get out again. Ha 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 ha.
The moral of the story is, look before you leap. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share.